Rehydration for client side or server side rendering. There are different types of hydration. There are different types of hydration that can be used. Learn about them and how they can be used to better serve your user. Rehydration, or more simply hydration, is a term that often comes up when we look at SPS and server side rendering. Hydration does not in a sense affect SEO but is an essential step for serving render pages to the user. There are different types of dehydration that can be used, different 10 steps. What is rehydration? But simply, rehydration allows a web application, a page, its interactive status after it is rendered on the server side. This may not matter to search engine, but is imperative to get right if the website server rendered in interactive components to user. This process is used in a single page application alongside server side rendering, which allows for a quicker fast content full paint, and client side content is hydrated for the largest content full paint. The process therefore involves capturing the current state of the page or app on the client side, sterilize the rendered, porting the JavaScript components into interactivity using JavaScript loaded or linked to the HTML response. What is partial dehydration? Another form of dehydration. Partial dehydration allows for the selective hydration of JavaScript components, or more specifically, these are tooling that are used necessary when JavaScript important that tools. In this scenario, the server sends an initial HTML documents alongside server returned content to the client. What is it best to use rehydration? Rehydration is necessary for website that need to be. Resumability and resumable frameworks are not new. Google has used a resumable framework is internally named Viz for search and photos product and